Hey folks, today is April 23rd. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:03 to be exact. Let me go ahead and check things over here. Alright, 62%, 65%. As long as we're not down here in this orange section, we should be okay. I'm going to go ahead and test some of this other stuff here.
Order pending. Order canceled. Order pending. Order canceled.
Alright, so no freezing, nothing like that happened today. So hopefully that'll continue, and this is something I'm going to start checking on a daily basis to make sure that everything is good before I actually start trading anything. Alright, let's take a look in the chat room and see if they've started or taken anything yet. It doesn't look like they have from what I'm seeing here. And at 8 o'clock, looks like we had 8:02, we had a print right here. This was a nice little winning trade. You would have been able to take your first profit target before you got to this reversal point. Market came up, came right back down. Wouldn't have got filled on this one. I don't think you would have gotten filled on this one either. And it's also going right into this reversal line here. And there was no way for us to know that it was going to break through on this bar right here. So even if it would have been one that would have gotten filled, I probably wouldn't have taken it. But yeah, definitely would not have been filled there. Would not have been filled there. And so we're just going to go ahead and wait. I'm already at 2 minutes. And if you guys recall, I have a 15-minute limit with this software. And they also should have some sort of a little mark down here in the bottom left-hand corner so you can see that I'm still not using my software. It should say Screencast-O-Matic. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'll be back on the first opportunity. Alright guys, we got a print right here. And as usual, I'm only going to hold this for one bar. So we'll see if we get filled or not. As you can see here, we do have a reversal point on the 2-minute chart, but we've already passed that. So hopefully that means the market's going to go ahead and start pushing up now. All we can do is take the prints here.
Order canceled.
Alright. I'll go ahead and pause it here. We weren't able to get filled on that one. Hopefully we'll get another opportunity. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we ended up getting a little bit of slippage on this trade. Got in at 57.05. High volume node on the 2-minute is at 57.03. So that means I had 2 ticks of slippage on that trade.
Target filled. Stop filled.
Alright, so not a lot of movement on that one. It is possible that the market will bounce off of this high volume node. It's actually happened quite a lot, or I've seen it happen quite a lot, where it uses this as a resistance at first and then as support. So that's highly possible at this point. But today we really haven't been getting a lot of strong pushes. And I actually saw the vendor's chart, and I noticed that it was different from mine, and that's most likely because I had turned off my Nodetrader overnight. So my tick chart is obviously going to be different. I went in here, clicked on reload all historical data, and then these prints right here popped up. So this is why some of the people were able to take these trades that I didn't get, because I didn't actually notice these until a bit further on, actually until after I had started recording this video. But as you guys can see here, 9 o'clock, this is a trade I could have taken, would have got it entered here. Market came up to the first profit target, again got entered here, came up to the first profit target. This trade wouldn't have been filled. And of course on this trade here, market came up to the first profit target. So as usual, the scalp prints are doing really well here. Like I said, my biggest issue so far has been just my own software, not necessarily the vendor's system. Nodetrader works extremely well. It's just my own software that seems to be failing me here. And it's like I said, it's my fault. I definitely got to start making sure everything's working before I start trading in the morning, and also making sure my chart is lined up, making sure that I start my NinjaTrader on Sunday night so that I can catch the first tick. These are all important things here. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. We're at 6 minutes. Hopefully we'll catch another trade here to the upside. We got a little bit of ways before this selling zone here. Be back shortly.
Order filled.
Alright guys, we just got this trend trade here. Let's see, I got in at 57.07. We'll leave this here, which is before that selling zone. Trend trades have been pretty reliable from what I've seen in the past. I'm hoping that will continue here. We'll have to wait and see. Right now over here on the 2 minute, we're right at the high volume node. Let's see what we look like on some of these other charts. Oh, there's some resistance at 57.12. And that is right here. Wow, I did not notice that. Should have been looking. And some more at 57.14. Alright, so there's quite a bit of resistance above us. So I'm going to keep this pretty close to the chest here. Play it pretty close to the chest. Alright, so that was basically a break-even trade. You can see we're still at 120. And again, the reason I went ahead and changed up my stops is because these levels, these zones, they let us know where they're basically speed bumps on this chart. They let us know where the market is going to reverse at, or where we're going to find support at. And when I took this trade, I just saw a scalp trade print, and I didn't check some of my other charts. But as you can see here, it was most likely a good thing that I went ahead and got out of this trade here, because we had a speed bump right here at 57.12. I moved my take profit down to 57.11, and as you can see, that's exactly where the market reversed. So we got out, no harm to us, no harm to the account, and now we'll just wait for the next opportunity. Hopefully the market will be able to bust through this level, and I'll actually show you guys what I was talking about. As you can see here, this level right here is what I was talking about. So we're going to hopefully see if the market can push through that level, and maybe push through this one here as well. Alright, we're at 9 minutes and 30 seconds. I'll go ahead and pause it and be back if we get another print. Alright guys, we just had some news that really pushed the market up here. As you can see, I got in down here. That first profit target would have pretty easily been hit after that news came out. It just pushed the market up pretty heavily.
Oil trade.
Now we'll see if we can get in here. Buying the stop.
Order pending.
We can hit our first profit target easily before this sell zone right here. We're actually in the middle of a sell zone on my other charts over here, but
Order filled.
we might be able to get these few out.
Target filled.
We'll see what happens.
Stop filled.
And that's the same thing, folks. Just not able to get past that first profit target today. These are scalp trades, but oftentimes they turn into something a little bit bigger. Today just wasn't that day. But like the vendor says in a lot of his videos, just take the prints. And as you guys have seen, starting at 9 o'clock, we had a winning print here. Winning print here. Wouldn't have been filled. Wouldn't have been filled. Winning print here. And obviously, if I would have held this trend trade longer, obviously that would have been a huge winning trade. 57.45 to 57.08. So that would have been a great trade right there if I would have been able to hold it a little bit longer. Then of course we just had this print here. Went up to the first profit target. So not bad at all.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Somebody just took a low volume node trade. Let me see what they did. Alright, this is one of the members. This isn't the vendor. Let's see where he actually got in.
CL scalp trade approaching.
I thought he had just entered it. Honestly, I don't see where he entered the trade. I see where he took profit here. Took profit here, it looks like. He took profit at several points, so. Here it is. Okay, so low volume node here. Market came up, came down. Took profit here. Took profit here. Took profit here. So that low volume node was extremely kind to him. We're at 12 minutes. Let me go ahead and pause it. And we got another print. Buying a stop. Actually,
order canceled.
We're in the middle of a sell zone. Like I said, definitely got to pay attention to this stuff. Let me pause it and see if we get anything else. Alright guys, we're now after 10 o'clock, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it down here. But like I said, lots of good opportunities today. In fact, every print that we had that I was able to take, or would have been able to take, would have been a winner. And this happens quite a lot. And as you guys saw, somebody took this manual low volume node trade. And that obviously turned into a nice winning trade for him. So like I said, the system does work. Definitely check out valutrader.com, get more information, and also to see how the vendor trades, because he's obviously been doing this for years and knows what he's doing, as opposed to me. I'm still learning basically. But anyway, that's going to be it. We're at 13 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.